Hello everyone. Today in this class I am going to discuss why this GATE 2021 will be a big and life-changing opportunity for every third year and fourth year computer science student. Look, till today no other GATE aspirant in any of the previous GATE exam get this opportunity. Now what is that opportunity? Now look, in every other previous year, every third year and fourth year GATE aspirant also had their academic curriculum. That means they had to attend their college or institute, attend their classes, and after that in the remaining time they can prepare for GATE exam. But in this particular year, for GATE 2021, we are in a pandemic situation. That is because of Corona. We can't go outside. We have to stay in our room or in our house or in our flat itself. We can't go outside. There is no academic curriculum. That means for other aspirant from other previous year who had to spend time from morning 9 or 10 to evening 5, this time you can use this particular duration for your GATE preparation, and you can take the best out of it. Clear? But it totally depends on you, what you want to do in this particular moment of time. If you want to stay idle, that also you can do. If you want to enjoy with some online web series, that's also you can do, or you can take it as an life-changing opportunity for yourself. Clear? Now what you have to do, you just need to utilize the remaining days whatever we have in our hand. That means we have 5 months still for GATE exam. That will held in 2021. But that is possible only if you want to achieve something in your life. If you want to dedicate your time to change your life, only then it can be a reality in your life. Otherwise it will be wastage of time. But there is some student in those are currently in third year or fourth year, they will appear the GATE, but they are not yet decided to prepare for the GATE. But if you want my suggestion, I will suggest you start preparing for GATE as soon as possible. Look, it will not going to waste your time. If you utilize this 5 months of your life, it can easily change your life. It not only in GATE exam. Look, if you once prepare for GATE, if you are already prepared for APR exams for ISRO, NIC or NELIT. Look, DRDO also recruit from GATE score only. So there is again an opportunity for you. Apart from this government sector, whatever you learn for the preparation of GATE exam, you can use those knowledge in the corporate sector interview also. Look, what is there in GATE syllabus? You have to study C programming, you have to study data structure, you have to study algorithm, you have to study operating system, you have to study database management system, you have to study networking, you have to study computer organization and architecture. Only these things will ask in any of the interview. Clear? Now that means if you use your 5 month, your next 5 month, then it will be very very helpful for you only. No one will take the knowledge that you can acquire in the next 5 months. Look, in the next 5 months, as per my knowledge, there is no other exam also other than GATE, and you are sitting idle in your home only, so you can easily utilize your time so that it will be useful and helpful for you only. So it's now up to you what you want to do and how you want to spend your life. It's totally your decision, but according to my suggestion, it is the biggest opportunity. Maybe in future also no other batch will get this much opportunity to prepare them for a GATE in such a scenario. It is a big opportunity for anyone who ever in third year, in fourth year currently. So my suggestion will be utilize this duration. And one more thing, whether it is on campus or off campus, whatever interview you will face, in every interview there they will ask question from data structure and algorithm. These two subject is must. So if you prepare now for GATE exam, that will help you for interview preparation also. So it is a big opportunity for every third year, fourth year student. Clear? So that's it for today. That's what I want to share today with you all. Whoever currently in third year or fourth year pursuing their BTech, please continue. Please start working for GATE preparation. Thank you.